Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to decorate this really fun hipster glasses cookie. I'm using a number 2 tip and 20-second icing to both outline and flood. I used my copy cake projector for me to project the image onto the cookie where I could trace it. I have a video on this and I will link it in the eye. If you mouse over the video, it'll be in the upper right corner. The tip I'm using here is a PME 1.5 and the black icing is piping consistency. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and be sure and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.